Mrs. Harry Adesagnon in from one the local government in Edo States, and Mr. and Mrs. Julius Osama Ogbedoyo. Hold on, not just distract me as I heard this. Ogbedoyo from one the local government. One the local government area of Edo State. Edo State. Okay, that is where the both of them come from. These two, they come from one there. These two car where they my platform so. But some they suffer they go small, one they suffer they chop and small. Understand? So please power tap as they listen. This is their traditional marriage. They invite you, to their traditional marriage. Take place on the 15th of January 2025. Now they do this marriage after many years. This one not born finish. Now they do this marriage so on the 15th of January 2025. Me I put the address. Because even the address I know. I know where the house. I know this place for Well Road. No. Me I put the address. You get my point now. Now, you see this woman, they just married her now, but she has been with this guy for so long. She didn't born for her. She know all the in out end of this man. This woman so has been there eating the money from this man. Why this man you see so taking money from other women, feeding this woman? Now let's go there. Let's read one other woman come out. One other popular woman who be say she and his sister frustrate this woman for this city where they call Bejo. Also demo to go. Okay, you work, but you see this one be Mama P. What they call it one P. For Bejo. This one have a club. This one get club for Bejo when he know this DJ Jeff. So this woman what you see so and this useless woman Rose Adesagnon in with this woman a friend. This woman a old me too. Oh, not be small lady. Na old tell na American but okay first layer second layer. Now make a make if you remove makeup na 1977 we know this now they born this one. All this one are old meat. All this one they don't see hair for inside again. All this kind of work because they don't see hair for inside again. They total strong. All this one total don't hot again. They cool. You understand? So this woman so with Rose they be friend be party. So all this one we get with Oyibo in the way they carry and they give men. You open elegance ladies club. Where be say in a share with their women, they give the men with this side, they do all those shekels fathers them, or you can bully your You understand? Now this woman can't go Nigeria, can't go marry Jeff, DJ Jeff. One of the see just now we marry why just now. He married to this woman. You understand? So this woman, they always collect this woman money till they take care of the other woman. When they wish she really married than this year, we are shooting just now. That was what DJ do. DJ Jeff, different woman. You still get one where you go carry for Scandinavia. You understand? So that his wife so goes complete to give his sister. Unknowing to that his wife say now this is sister so Rose. Now they carry man. Now they carry different women. They give his brother. Make brother. They knock. They collect money for their hand. You get my point now? Wait, I don't want to carry anybody come up. May nobody come up when I step was ass. When I just sit down and listen. When I go to no talk. When I go sit down, I'm going to listen. Nobody should climb my platform. Today, no climbing. You get my point now? Everybody sit down in the house and be listening to me. Anybody will call distract, I will go for them. Can't nonsense talk about this one. I like when I do distract me, my guy. Say now this is talking now. If you YouTube with the boy, no climb. No, they don't climb up to YouTube. You understand me now? Yeah, they are words and you are now this it will appear No other club the bejo. Igbiagia no go. Eda igbiagia. This women want to say so. It just want to keep many men go for abroad. We now we don't make any bubble. We are different maya. Cause you are going. And then they stay glass asking. Mude glass. Yes, they polikia. Bolo. This woman they say so. All the money who the chopper, DJ Jeff. What happens DJ Jeff for your instrument here? Na music. But you have double speakers here. When they come down outside, I said this apology in a 48 hours apology. How can I acquire your okado? Yeah, disgrace. When you are disgracing you are disgracing me. All those useless women, ni mwebo you wa, nebo marry you wa, in a really dark here. There plenty. One call yes, they call the talk. That one is story. Two, so you get scrap women. The one group of Sabi the Yoko expose themselves. Somebody exposed herself yesterday. It was a massive explosion. In information now, I picture everything don't back up my phone. My phone don't full since yesterday now. Because of our voice with the year. All our evils. Babe. See? Well, we'll find that one because this Saga go long. This Saga go long go. And they say make arrest. They say make arrest for the Saga. Then they beg make arrest. I said, okay, they say make arrest. But they give me 5 million. If they give me 5 million, I go rest. I be not be so, we not support her. I said, they bring 5 million come. If they bring 5 million come now, I go rest. I go share 3 million for YouTube to do giveaway. I will share 4 million for TikTok to do giveaway. Everybody go rest for the matter now. You not clear like that. So I cannot feel your con like this now, but you say make we rest. Where we get evidence. This one are concrete evidence, truth. And all this Saga, this one be Saga of say that they fought like no, this one evidence the evidence you are why boy life boy no. Forget to say these same people they are human traffickers. They are also human traffickers. The way I say this Saga go long, it involve a lot of women, it involve a lot of men. Yes. It involve a lot of women, it involve a lot of men. Now let me break one other woman today. One other man. I want to break the man. I want to break the man. The man come and call you. Madam, come down. Madam, come down my platform. Bloody civilian. Come down my platform. All these other show women. Mo break one man. Mo break one record. Mo break one man today. Now the man want break also. The man where the woman will do party with get husband for house the fucker. The new boyfriend. Okay, wait. Now they give me gift. I thought they break record. I thought they boss code. Don't worry, they give me. I see this guy just now, DJ Bobby. I see Bobby. Bobby, I must greet you with better star or a tough national peace today. Now, when I say this woman so. Adesagnon. Now, Mr. Bobby, I greet you. This Adesagnon, see the husband. This husband, so now a shaman, but now a boy for grow. Now a shaman, but now many people the face na a guy, now a shaman guy. You can't be told you see the dressing. You don't know see na a shaman dressing with this one. Now, this man also marry Weibo. Baba, this man gets children. Weibo born for her. Half cast twin kids. Emi ya robi na akure gwa me. A glo swan. Akwa kile. Okado. Now, our people, what is the young? But I kill it. Now, the things that they will use it to distract me. Me, I don't know what this man. It's a Ghana. All 1 year December now. All year December now. But let's see what the 5 million in my way. My co guy. I had deck me say what. You don't finish. I don't like you. If you take me full day to share the money, I will share. You don't understand? Now, this woman so he married this man 2016. That's what I narrated before. He married Oyibo for us. As we speak, he's still there with Hans. Hans, namely the name of the Oyibo with this woman married. So, for Holland, they're there together. Now they have the same house they stay. He comes to go, man. When he make this Paris, spend 2 months. Scatter my mountain or so. Now for Nigeria, now when I come, as them do marriage for go finish with him. This man, let this woman know say, Madam, before I marry you, you go pack, come and house, we go live together. You understand? I not fit marry you, make you deal with your house. He can't agree with the man. Say if he marry this man, he go rent another apartment where they go stay. He go come for your house, which is normal. I don't say this one, but na traditional marriage, you go marry for Nigeria. So as they do marriage finish, this man now come they see this woman for your house. Every small thing na fight. This woman, it be like say they swear for her. Say na so slap go dey slap person. If this woman slap this man today, this man ear go dey leak. Every time that this man they go hospital, go dey do checkup for a ear drum. Where this your wife they use slap, they tear your ear. So this man account say this was not the agreement from the beginning. Say if we reach Holland, you go rent an apartment. We say you go live for your house. So you know if you go marry you traditionally, you go cost this call with you for your house again. You know if you do it. Now this woman I call it and no say, you know if you leave this your Ibo, now they call a bust between this woman and this man. Not up to 2 months, this man carry back. He moved come for the house. They end marriage. Bride price they never return. So if we go further to say this woman is still married legally according to custom and tradition to this man, and he's still there with Igbo house. As we speak, for court, for abroad, he married to Igbo legally. He married to this man legally as custom and traditions demand in Benin. Because he just want to take up for a house for Benin. Now, let's go to the new man where this woman are the friend. The latest man where this woman are the friend. As me and you they talk now, this woman are put head for that man chest. Peradventures they don't call this this afternoon because today now bust down. Because when I say body want to cash out, as he throw with the birthday we do finish, he carry passport for hand, saying they go Holland. He say that never carry and reach BBC, he never reach CNN, they could have reached a picture of CNN. Now the CNN he wants so. And if they go CNN with your new husband, where you had all these years. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if I go for bring the husband come. When bring the husband come, let me down. Ile doria ben na ni go wana Adesagnon no way $1 wa. This is useless man. Because for the serious crime I go diverse. Avec pas non mané bien ka no magba o wala o yo they will give us advice, but they are not the one doing the evil, the immorality for this Europe. Now these people they do one. People like this, they do one. That's why we see any of the lady who use them as a scapegoats. Who use them as a scapegoats. When you know what that person now, who the not water, whom you are, or that will be for wherever ready for what. Umu you wa play you wa go here pa if wa go what could the ones na when me kwa mu you wa here ya u here no ga boy who here no ga boy. You are useless man to the call. Who here no ga boy who here ni we who in the island or ga boy who had this sukia at this sakpiko at this ivie kwa at this sakpiko who here ga boy. I think that Canada. I mean, I left. Why a baby 3 days of Malawa? What is going on in this abroad? Everybody I beg women. I call to my Omega 3. I call up my Agalama. I call up Marama. Useless, stupid, Adesagnon, Adesagnon. No, we have Bebo. This is what we forbid in our land. This is against our custom and tradition for a Benin man to be sleeping with a married woman. Now, see the man we born for. See the man we be say he married for Nigeria. You see this one? This one now, married Ibo. See the two children when the Borokido Ibo born for this Asian man. Before this Asian man go marry Adesagnon. See, go marry Adesagnon. You see how? A married Adesagnon will be say he don't pass 2 months marriage. Now since he live 2 months marriage now this akuge. Now this a power go so 6 feet. Now Conde knock Adesagnon. As Adesagnon like Bolarish. Tell me how this a paper go take now. Tell me how this a paper go take the ball. Now let's go there. Who don't hear? How call the see right from what was it? And now this is the Jeff father. This is the father of the Jeff, a chief. Okay, I can't say it's on Kamoba. I don't call him Kamoba. You understand? Because he put bead for neck. I can't say it's a chief. I can't say it's Ohio. A chief Ibunamie. You understand? But a prominent man like this in Benin, a traditional man, because it's a native daughter. You understand? It's a native daughter. Traditional law like this. Get wife or house. DJ Jeff, come closer. Let's talk. DJ Jeff, I didn't get one. Honor your wa. Una ge wa no no dita no gbasawo. Iye di Jeff na ona speak DJ Jeff. Ona vinya ko e talk wa. Ona adi webu. Ona do you gbasawo. Iye you gbegbe aga. Or you gbegbe aga ne. Ona send you go get jama wa. E ke dollar wa. Usuwe no gbile no redo. Usuwe no siolegi sionya na mami we o tedo mari de na. These are the kind of men that destroy the land, the ancestors of that land. These kind of people who got married to a woman, bring the woman to abroad for prostitution. They be sending money back to home. Yeah, enjoy it. No, yeah, take me. Why this same woman use the prostitution money on a VVI table? Obiana the balance. Now, the reason why the Jeff sister Adesagnon, Rose Adesagnon used to balance mama. Balance a carry. Better with the boy and the mother. I'm trying to apologize to the family of Adesagnon because the family is a very reputable family in Benin, right? Now this is how to know a reputable family in Benin, a family that send their wife to abroad for prostitution, a family that send their children to abroad for prostitution. This is a very reputable family. I respect your family, DJF. Kudos to your family. Kudos to your family. This is the family you asked me to come and give me. You gave me 48 hours to come and do apologies for. Hello. Please, before I apologize, I need to expose your family. I need to give your family diagram. Because I draft them for you. You will not decide if I should do that, if I should continue with the apology or not. Please, ladies and gentlemen, give me more time. But 48 hours is too much. It's too small. Because your family story is too rough. You need to give me more time to digest your family story to the whole world. Then you will not decide. Oh, meanwhile, still continue, still apologize or don't apologize or still tell us more about our family. Go me swan tell yakwa. Am I young Henry Danjuma? The senator, Henry, my value will never go. I don't want to dive into politics yet. You get me? I don't want to dive into politics because this your saga go long. And it tests you. For you to get the guts to tell me you're going to apologize to your family. This family, a family of them were poor. We a poor Richard family. But none of our daughter, none of my own father's daughter is in abroad doing a show. None of them see them be doing all of them are married in their husband's house. You get my point now. Any of family of integrity, none of my family will be thief. You think so? Error. We that a family way. Issue when I do big be that's the 1/0/100 of integrity from your family. They take off very well now. They tell you about people. They tell you when I it will not allow your wife to come to abroad for prostitution. You get my point now? Eruwa, you don't see again, no. Don't be not see again. Dead working. It will not allow the children to become a central in abroad. Don't be not see again. Adesagnon, it will not allow his daughter to become a prostitute in Holland, Belgium, Denmark. You get my points now. Don't be not see again more. If your father is a man with integrity, he will never marry his daughter to two men. At his spot and as we speak right now. DJ Frozen. You don't have integrity. Your family does not have one. You get my point? You dey feel me? I'm still apologizing. That 48 hours you give me, bro. Just give me time to make I apologize to your family. The most integrity family in the whole world. Oh, the daughter is a prostitute. Wow. Wasena bobona my people. Wajak bobona family na. Amazing. See, the I challenge you. Fia video na mugera wa. Let me sit down in his parlor and listen to this video. We don't want our guare. Mo menwa. You get my point now. The social media king. You're going to test it with me. Then no matter what social media now. In a big way, even when Akobe Ladia, you stand the camera for Akobe to be insulting me. You did Jeff. I see all your words you said. Even when you get Barcelona, I done the video you did for me when you get Barcelona. DJ Jeff, I will meet you. I will test you. Only one will follow you for this video. I will drag you. Do you know I don't answer you? When you did a video with me for Barcelona, when I go young, Carol, I go Barcelona, I don't talk. You don't person your face. Now I go young. You know, concern me, concern you. All the video when you do, anytime I land for airports, the video when you do, I go just there look. The only thing what we just do now, ain't no the party we pursue for that party. It shock you. The Prato when you come Prato, now me runner. Now me and the world updates. We make sure we pursue for Prato. No matter who enter the hall. We use police chase now. It shock you. It don't shock you. Now you say you don't even fear. You can't threaten me more. Me no matter okay. Despite me no UK. We ma okay me. We have me now in the beer. On beer all my glass na yawa. A glass in the India. A bank. Our mohina. You book it be mohin. You get my point now. You take me where? I know where, I even know where. Get your point now, not this where. Oh boy, I go around. When I made up project the family way, Adesagnon family, hello. And I understand. The family will me apologize now. Family tak barak bado goji. Family biaga. Obi a shawo. Obi biaga mo. A family ni iyare le one, omo are le two. Ebo ba gbin ai. I will make you apologize to. I don't understand, bro. I don't get it. DJ Jeff, when I want to revive Echo, when I want to make you apologize ni you where? No, you as we speak, when I go back where I'm Senegal, when you know you in France. You guys join hands together to see the when you go to the hospital. You might make one for me. Hello. You don't see your secret deeper heart. You not lock up. Based on I respect my mom. Make I respect your mama. From the beginning, make it about you. I lock all the children with your mama carry come abroad. I don't get that picture. Now me tell you this Saga go long. You understand? Now me tell you this Saga go long. Anything where you belong to, DJ Jeff, whether you be a jail, whether you be a you, now for yourself, the one me belong to, it pass your own. The one me belong to, the wish will me shop, it pass your own wish. You feel me so? The wish will me shop, it pass your own wish. Anywhere for the world, nowhere cut is not there. Make your control, make the track be. May they can give you feedback of Umewa. Oma mu wori magbe kuwe. When I give we no ma era. Una go no do gwi megwa. On wa sa no do plan no do where ye band ni me la redu mi la. Hello. Mayor, I greet you bros. Wo mayor na. Wo mayor redu mi la. Ba bokin la we gbe for national peace today. Ya gbo egbe bros. Ti e ko wa gbe le ge ko romance rabi you since there. I dey romance your papa your mama is there. E Saga nya sunwe. Nya ya bodi me egwe ba ni Saga you rabi you na so. Ah e no wa fi me na. Ah gbe lo ko yo. For social media, they don't burn your papa way for you to threaten me. Me ma mo e matrina see as that river might reach. Me not fear that river. You can't say I can't fear you, or me I can't fear your pa. Your pa will carry your wife come and probably come do a shower. You know where, bros? Me can't fear your pa. Now you dey fear your parent. Now you feel the fear because now you don't know what your pa be. That make you dey fear your father. Me can't fear your father. If to say one fear your father, if to say your father say born now, he give her the best education in life. Your mother did not come to Europe for prostitution. I will respect your father. I go remove card for her. Say yes. A pardon must our talk me. You are a father. You are a father. It's not worthy to be a father. It's a fade man. It's a lazy bini man. I'm putting it up to you that your father is a lazy bini man. Your father is a bloody lazy ass old man. If you don't know, they can tell you. If your father was a hard-working man, none of your daughter of his daughter will be a prostitute today. Your father has failed as a bini man. Or when your mother your father has failed. I put it to your face, bro. Your papa don't fail. Your father a lazy ass bini man. No matter bag bono pie. Bag ko no riwa. Na mu kan ade go do gbasawo and you dey talk. When I yak bawe. Una we yak bawe. A pe kon you yak gbegbe agani. O kan woro wa. We ready by Adesagnon. Koni you yak no yak ke Tori no o ya worry wa sun. Rosie. Neri ba ni je. Akpi koni o Larry. Iju we say gbasawo na vegas dey and I deport you. Your brother was deported to Nigeria. I deport you abu you. And no see son where you do expose about no ma you what tell social media. No wa begwe. I deport you where Elisa onamu you are there. Lisa is the other girl. No marry boy Holland. Onamu you where Otuna provoke. A rose not provoke me Lisa ko mu you where. Lare we Bella. E Bella no bejo. No marry bo no be gbasawo. O marry bo no ye kia ne kia gagawe no he na ko. E Bella o we dey. We are the birthday. Bella ne gbegbe head ne ma ho no maribo no ma shawo no mama. Aba shi wogo. Bella, I'm coming for you guys. Imagine like marriage. All those people when they go the marriage with be actually the marriage. I know all of them. Bam. Una want that in my hand. Una story down in my hands all of you to know. Akwa asikoto. Aki azolo gba wa yagbe. Ona waya basha wona hu. Ona waya bandotros. Wana ya gume merema. Wana ko we bedin wa ko lawa. Udazi awe aso agile ye begwe. Wana washa wo. Kena mu no kpia. Lare wa wati we success soft money. Soft money. Austin Asha. AKA soft money. Who week where they ban a good banner. It can't go 2 years ago. Who week where they go ban a soft money Austin no Manchester. Who week where they go a banner. Who week where they go a banner. Stop money, stuff Ikea. In the name of the last 2 years was soft Ikea. Stuff Ikea. A week when I go a banner. If I come back for you for the second time, a second journey or Bemongo Park, It don't go good for you. The word update I see my brother Arthur. Prince Austin. You know what he play for that party? You know what he play for that party, Austin. Why you understand? Now, how can you DJ Jeff? DJ Jeff, what is the real name of this DJ Jeff? Let me call the real name out. Yes, now. No when you want DJ Jeff. DJ Jeff.
Okay, if you say now leg you can't take compound, now make you get beat. Say your own beat not be ordinary. My own beat now ordinary na fashion me they use my own. Do you know connect to any juju? I just like to use and do fashion. If you can't say your own na juju, you know they lie. Not really lie again. Maybe be say lie when you laugh for my body. You won't tell your mom your tie. So not lie again. You see say lie not good for you.
Our dedicated
the one Latian, Kate go laugh for us again. This is the only time Kate not laugh for us. Whether I do a shower for Italy. Only God know whether he not still they do a shower. Because he ain't paying any passion with Kenyan truth. Kate what me rapport no. Kate where he get black in no beer or pure and on a shock or my get black in your beer label. Now Kate friend talking. He say mama na ashawo, na he bring kids come, na he bring all his children come. He do ashawo for Belgium, he do ashawo for Netherlands, he do ashawo for Italy. Only God know whether he not still they do ashawo.
Now, DJ Jeff, I really say the here. Your mama na ashawo, he do ashawo for Italy, he do for Holland, he do for Netherlands, he do for Belgium. He work back. Your mother is international, but miliki well clear. Because I put him up for here. I just went. Hey, DJ Jeff, you don't got. Our portrait in the you know what I will. You have one like my easy. We guy. This is easy, my brother. You try. You know he agbe. I quick you know he agbe rose. I quick on you agbe sha wonu na mo ate obu. And I make it rose gile open it. Rose na pattern you. I quick on got to be rose. I quick mini or got to be rose. Because you ya suffer, ni buni yexega ya go away, no ya mission of you what I will do. He just magazine. Akbiko got to be rose. Akbiko or got to be rose. Now, why I go, no, I be a moment be a man. Everybody, no matter by you know in Nigeria. You are not who you believe Egbe Sabisa Forest. But I'm more idea with Bashawo. And I'm more like you want to you hero. Aroro, you na hero eh. Aro soko. Aro wele. You na you pack kia de webu. Ona ga sigo koko. Trolley gume movinere. You na mwadesakia, ona mwadesakia pa mula webu. You ya desakia se ogba. You na the financial part. Ona na desakia, ona the position my daughter. I post to that all where no. Desakia my position. When ebu ga gia you odo, or ga gia desakia. You na have you panegbe. Adesanya was also balancing the mother. A Rosie, on a balancing here, or on a balance a carry. O my balancing here, or balancing back. You don't know you balancing here. Not a year matter. Una the here story. Even we are punching when you were like webu. We had a good time you were like webu. When you trek like webu. We show him a deal okay. me ma mo him matrena si me na zeni gbase ina yi ba yo we give am yo ina ba ye zeni ina letale we no expect me we do mo we do uzie bies yagbo u dey by cut is na me about there because now you be the you fly past for the whole world. Now you fly past, now you rocket past for the whole world. Make me come fear you for abroad. Me no fear Curtis for Nigeria. Now abroad if I come fear Curtis, so go back boy, Jeff. Oh, go back boy. I quickly join on to boy. I quickly join on the yak or to boy, Jeff. When I never believe in my way, ni me do mo we to belong to a man. Hello, udig be sha when you move where. When I give me what could make him do so talk. Give me what it was that he was shake you na yema menu menwa. Udig be sha. Ba bola we be for national peace story. Evapota. That area go we buy. If possible, be me say to have. You understand? I can run the up. I will get so 12 o'clock. I run the up. I am also lawa be the JF. When did you go up with the coup? Et did you not marriage or beria? Marriage. DJ, let's welcome the celebrants, the new couple. And then we come in new couple. DJ Riwayo. Et DJ Riwayo, DJ was one. Emi ameri ma to mi aregbe o ye me. Emi ameri ma to mi aregbe o. DJ. O wa pe na yi. Ti an kan ti an ko mi an. Charging one. DJ Jeff we charging one. O wa charging one. Apa mi wo mi ara mi o. Inga imi ani ye be o. Apa mi wo imi a je be o. Inga imi ani ye be. Ubu ma o ya ye be. E ko ma o DJ. Our marriage. Wa se apa mi wo imi ara mi o. Tinga imi ani ra be o. Iku wa li. E DJ no ma we. How because of say your sister they follow different faith. You get meeting. Una amu ni ku abi mama di mama. Una amu no agbe kan yo na mi yago. Iyan na mi go na instruments. Iyan he wani guardian ni party amu we adiva. O me na bisi mi me na amisi one you don't know how to miss song. Una abon we isu no we aso DJ Ikebezu me my life we bo. No yas we Ikebezu zo ware bo si weke. O ma pala iri very ni ya u Ikebe u Ikebe. Una Ikebezu una ya ku kurire becho fo. Una Ikebezu zo ware bo si weke. Una ya ku kurire becho fo gba. Una ye Nigeria una re hotel Nigeria. Again o ma mu ye hotel Nigeria. Una mo gana mo la wa. Una gbe keyo e. Una go ye ana want to gbe. Adesagnon mo ni me share niyan. I have one lab you what play by the DJ Jeff, what play because where you are the time not truth. Not true. No belong to Wahala gang. Want to become Shege fathers. Because Wahala and Timmy we are mingling with this Adesagnon. Ni ani we na go. Then you will not spray money. You want to join their crew. Uma dio una egbe sala ko be DJ Jeff beria DJ wa ma gba won aje me o resetting o wa ma ona mo do so manager apa mi wo yin aje be o tiga yin ni ra be o wo ma o gera wo beria wo marriage na si we beria. When I want to have a cold house, we be one glass yao. Also, now ya bongo me. Man, my way, I want to say a glass yao in our bongo me for. Near I'm making out the bound, ya go. I got to my point now. Who did it? He didn't do yana. Who do you deny me? You use this old woman to come and collect insults at evening time, or you are aware or ever found. They didn't do you. So we manage kokobiri prick. Israel not going to mess on my back here. You can't with family. You my back here at that old age. What a life. Ikia is shining. Where is watering? Where is watering? Hey. Of first critical. A power. Padivan no where. E pa no where. This the pa no where no soon we na wa. Ona wa gbe kiaye no wa sale kiaye ades a rose adesekia. Ipana og pona pawata. Pawata pe me. Já parler assez de rose. Bon faire. To a gift you power tap. So my gift power tap. You get my point now. It's like I got too sweet too. You just mind of your body. Jeff now winning medal apology. Apology my faults. Thank you very much for the super chat. For the gift. I'll be a gift to whatever you used to win a super chat. God, can you imagine? See, DJ Jeff, me I tell you, this one is straight to your family. MC Papilo, Matador Quench. Me they tell you now, MC Papilo with your sister Matador Quench. When you DJ Jeff, now you bring your sister, your family matter, enter media with the job. It's the truth. The quarrel of the party. You see, when they talk about the party, that don't know. Ezore party ni or question. Ezore magi gon kana bros. Oh, sweet mommy, that's Mama Sonia Foundation. Oh, the only woman where they smoking book star. If they smoking book, you hungry to smoke. You want to rape me now? This woman want to rape me, honey. Sonia, you rape you, yeah. Oh, your money go rape you, Oh God. What have your money go make I wala we magi don. Wahala. Problem. You get my point now. A Saga already the MC Papilo where Adesagnon a conscious ne. A Saga no giro now my bar. DJ Jeff. Uki active man do beg, Let you understand. To remove MC from this whole scenario now. MC always say that you know. Uda gani amu yomononia. Amen very dangerous amen. Ono mo na yo get ma gba me do. Osana mo na yo because I'm very dangerous. So umaiga have done na ya una mo last we do apology for 48 hours apology. My brother, I beg you, will be you. You can beg me as a when you beg me say, bros, MC Papilo or apologize to you. Or don't go or tell Wahi or to give you an apology. Kudos to you, bro. But you must or that thing they did one of generation. That guy. I'm a beautiful sending me apologize now. Am I where Adesagnon no more can deal with the bashawo because they come very well, they were responsible, they were mature, they were this is a matter of dignity. Rather high again more can deal with do bashawo with dollar and war. You get my point now. Neither you see no neither no neither pin with kia. You understand now? DJ Jeff. Erama what ni apologize to. Deti rama bujua dia wodo gbashawo ba. Erama rigashawo. I would have apologized to your father. Yes. How we the rama go say go say gbe. We no gube gona. You will hear we master. Umare wodo gbise true. Almighty, or wodo we master. The same thing Almighty. Okay, why they come about? Almighty say slow poison no wa gbise true with star. But Almighty did not talk to me and he did not bring himself out of this issue, Almighty is cancelled. When you not see it, when I have information, we have to go Almighty, we have to go Lisa. Lisa, no marriable, you day body. But boom, very only pets. I'm not going to insult Lisa. No. We are not going. It's here, but there. Anything that time is you ever when DJ Jeff or your son give you anything that you concerning your parents, you DJ Jeff. I want to see that. I want to see your power for this Europe. That court where you do so. I want me to see. I want to see that court that year where you say you be so. I want to see how you want to use the year to quench me, take off my mouth, make I not talk again for this social media. Me only deg it to way. Also, boy, I've been a boy in Adira. You know, this way. Me baggy you buy wearing. You get my point now. You when we are portrait nani. We are portrait na shawo now because we diga shawo. We diga shawo. Also, we are portrait na shawo. Is when they take up without money rabo wa. Era no kwane. He could have sit down and take part responsibility of the wife. When the woman shall leave the father and their mother. Man shall leave the father and the mother and click with the wife. Or the one for your father to allow your mother to come to Italy for mobility. Dobiaga, Olosho, Olowele, Olowewe, Olo blah blah blah. That's a useless man. Go eat. Then all of the Ariga Shawo. Only women that don't made a portrait in Andohinia. These are the chiefs. Now walking out with be a gerbo. Here with dollar my war. Your father is number one the champion. You get my point now? Or better now be on the story now. DJ Jeff. Guess what? That's how Gmanera. Yana te bubu tolera. They told me you will be a girl. They TV graduate like the school. On a vient à dire oui in the school. Il will oh quand papa ou à toi il n'a pas moins il respectera il m'a boutonné il devait le tolérer il a tolérer. That is what my you banné le film italien. That is where on m'a you banné le film italien. Ah ya oui you know qui et be bolo so la mi toto il y no en egbe no no la wo you know qui na tell but is where et you na kon gbele condom the train station me na gona e ran you die ya o doggy o might be bezo e ran you ni you bo hono egbe o doggy se guante o belegos ma money ma amore mi piano amore piano tesoro piano you salum we you don't see me finish I suffer for your heart me I apologize don't suffer did Jeff we gbere we're going to apologize. Now, the way we apologize now, if we are a family, and we are a ding. What are you looking? Half way, we understand. The Jeff will finish me. Papa, you go and if you're Papa, I go in here. Or go be when I'm gonna go be which way. One name will team up together. Now, you're banished because you will get. Ware kelega in France. One of my grandma, when I'm on his way. No, go his way. That same woman with me apologize, man. Udibe. Kawada. So, no, people are BLS is there, no blame credit. You cannot compare yourself with me. Oh, when you carry in Nigeria, no BM. Okay, you can die, you can't go your own. In our necessities as customer tradition demand. Now, get your own, la mom. Na si le bois gombase ina na ko ebi ware ije wa won ye bedi pim e dey da la webo get the point now ni go le mare no ware we be na yi gbofti e mo ko du yogo wa de ke wa tun ye ke wa tun ye if you come wa ki na go fi boko mu won so if you come wa ki o mi wa if you come de gbe yo ki eni la e wa bi if you come drop it no go but die we carry it. They are go ya give you call if you are pump na kill na when you could be raw. My brother, E ban we don't go your after many years. No one can go there be let a ban we don't pay bride price. January 15 this year we pay bride price and we do try to wear glass here do command the man. Do command the man. Ni me do apologize without no respect. Boy you my bro. Bros. Boy you women. Bros. Boy you women. Udage o epano whatever na no what we on na giwe rose na rose ya nwele rose way e di ona go we Highland na e rose wa for benefit on wa the ticket pim on the Highland o ya we kide one be na go na rose wa mu ke kide wa go kide on Highland rose wa have rose we di one la yes the hidden e di one no go Highland la dia mo la jane Itawe on the first of this today is going to be talk of the world. The almighty power with the head is out. It's out. There are still a lot of people that will still be out. Celeb Bobo on the beats. If I allow it, Eddie Murphy cannot cover my mouth. Enogi, am I be a we? Oh yeah, Elizabeth, we be a girl. My beauty a shawoni. No here ti gwe monuna. No here ti distracting me from my mission. You get the point now. E time le enogi ezo kwa agume gwa. U kaya gbeli we wa no vio. U mana ti gbeli o ni comment ya rest we. Vio na vio bani ya gba because o so se gwa ba we no. Me ti a we broadcast the mo nyanga talo ye bra no e ma ya minita ahe papa come on me 5 years ago what papa boy ya ti daddy e o understand e no ge agbela bi besa no bi ele ni o kwa vio come do even ken ho e pilo pian ho aso e understand e ha ho agbo wo ni ya bi fi le come ti agbo fi le kwa e grief di ma ti gbele mo na ti gbele no na mi bo le gbian wa kun yan vio yo ko karado kun gi social media no my one best of the family bro any woman will barely better than me imu I know the carry in yam camera the no when I see you na better the both of you I want the carry you me or my girlfriend don't know now sorry if you don't get beside you don't see Frank the carry when we are hospital the go or what for most ya check you know here or why better the one here why ya flush e kwa because me no see the one I be the beside in Nigeria, in Miami, we don't be beside Nigeria. If you said, "Mammy, again, if you go on, you don't beg we do. I don't beg we do. A Lagos so near Vianney. We no give a Lagos so the can we are gaji. You have one in Wava. You have beg Ava, you like express road. You have beg express road. You know, no cost of work on social media because what consider we bro. We is bad. We body are one. Everybody beside like special picky. They don't special picky. Everybody, mama, what is special picky? Oma akona ekpe this way. Omo no magba de gbe magba. What is special picky? There is special picky. Ibi chele. Abi fi what? Him. What did you open egbuwa? O so say we im besa no man never log on a beer. If like a night beer. My brother, my sister lao go start. Let me so the baby besa de picky. Lao. So I say lao. So no boy we. Sisi besa de my log on a beer. Ọmọ kun wo wa mi no ni wo ya bie lo mi ma ona bie beside la o so lo ba o da ya mo ri le de no mu na la wo eyi beside we be ya to be gbe wo o ga to la se ko be ya mi se gbe lo ko yo hun so ko fi ra ma gbe wa peut-être donc ya sha o be to wa ko bo wa go no gi go to bo se fi gbo be because wo to bo beside we e beside we on ho ya sha wo Why did you for working? Egypt the Jeffy or Bashaw Italy International and the number one the champion. Egypt the Jeffy. You when I go Tamsa. So what do you do? Okay, now see. Also, spirit wanna move. Okay, we are shower. Or go bijouer. Or we are shower. You know more than we are. The Jeffy video guild. We are shower. Or we are shower friends. Okay. Will show me your friend. I will tell you who you are. Better to see that flocks together. Now I understand Oh, my brother, I greet you. Then one me when I hope Yasha will pay my brother. I do go your Yasha one or Yasha. I have a go what my brother. Is you or you look woo or Gakama. Okay, now because of my domuye or my domuye. He goes sweet to the Jeff. You don't give up a party. Padamo, Oyasha, Oyasha, or you up my brother. You back by what you are gear do. You are rather commission of your river. He always over Cobria, can you hear? I could go like a Cobria war in France. Merci beaucoup, I greet you. Oh God. There I go. If you are shower, what you boile. Wow, tally. Wow, tally. DJ Jeff, where go we are showering? Where go we are showering you? Where do I command me? Where do I think you are today? You are president of what thing you are today? Benami, which is the first lady of Nigeria. She's the first lady of Nigeria. You know, she's the first lady of Ikea of Italy. She's the first lady of Kokobiri Vasilization. Yage, no, you remember we are showering. Come, there's a go here. Eh oui, dans le temps, il va nous tangoire on a. Eh oui, il va nous beva automatic beli when you are. Automatic beli when you are beli automatic beli on a government ya or go egui. What have your government to move the what when you caralo or quick ça via gain comme ratas. How many you are tired of these investor children, you cannot take care of the children again. Your wife is stupid, your wife cannot take care of the children. Government help you to take care of the children. One flush the blood no boy, let them put new blood. Because when we it's sad you wait to be magno, it best I don't want to be. It's sad you wait to be magno, it best I don't want to be. Now I'm a book or mass and of you. Madame Wayana, I had them no stress you, ya hurry away, immune yet with backbone. No, nay, but yo, yet you what no the way are a boy raw is better for me than your belly. Papa. What's on it, Nonya? What's on it, Nonya? What's on it, Nonya? So, what have you done? What's on it, Nonya? Monomagba. Why is safe? No, be able to okay.